In this video, you will learn how to set up your new 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop starter kit. First, let's start off with what's included in your kit. One standard HoopMaster Station, one 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop, one 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop fixture with freestyle arm, one portable mounting base, and one T-square. This kit is perfect for left and right chest embroidery placement and a variety of other hooping applications. Besides left and right chest embroidery, you can also use this kit to hoop center chest logos, hand towels, tote bags, bucket hats, onesies, and more. Now that you know what the 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop starter kit can do, it's time to set it up. First, find a clean workspace to ensure you don't lose any small parts when taking them out of the box. In front of you, you should have one standard station, one portable mounting base top with an attached hardware bag, one set of portable mounting base legs, and one 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop fixture box. Once the box is completely empty, set it to the side. Inside the 5.5-inch fixture box, you will find the rest of the parts, including the 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop and T-square. Start by adjusting the station's angle. The HoopMaster Station has three different positions. Position 1 is flat, Position 2 is slightly angled, and Position 3 is the highest position that will give you the most angle. For this video, I will be putting the station in Position 2. To adjust the position of the station, flip the station over. This gives easy access to the thumb screws. Once both legs have been changed to the desired position, flip the station back over and set it to the side. Now you can put the portable mounting base together. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver for this step. First, take the rubber bands off the legs, remove the styrofoam, and set the legs to the side. Next, unscrew the black wing nut on the portable mounting base top to access your hardware. Once you slide the bag off the screw, put the wing nut back on the screw. You will need that later. You should have 4 screws and 4 nuts. Flip the top over. The legs will be mounted like this. Insert one of the screws from the bottom going up. Place the leg over the screw and hand tighten the nut. Repeat those steps for the other 3 screws. Once all your legs are on as tight as you can get them by hand, use a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten them a little more. Your portable mounting base is now ready for use. You can set it to the side. The last item to prepare is the 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop fixture. Take the fixture out of the box. You can set the T-square and the 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop off to the side. And if we haven't said it already, thank you for your purchase and welcome to the HoopMaster and Mighty Hoop family. Take the rubber bands off the fixture. Now you need to separate the 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop fixture from the 5.5-inch freestyle arm. To do this, you are going to pull up on the fixture while pushing down on the freestyle arm. This may be a little difficult at first, but after a couple of times, these pieces separate with ease. Take the 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop fixture and attach it anywhere on your station using the pins on the back of the fixture board. To do this, line up the hole in the fixture with a number on the station. Make sure the pins on the back of the fixture align with the holes on the station and push it into place. Then take the 5.5-inch freestyle arm and secure it to the portable mounting base using the black wing nut. Make sure the pin on the portable mounting base lines up with the hole on the freestyle arm to ensure the freestyle arm is flush and aligned with the base. To use the 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop fixture on the portable mounting base, simply pull the fixture off the station and line up the bullseye on the freestyle arm with the hole on the fixture. You can swap the 5.5-inch fixture at any time depending on your embroidery needs. Congratulations! You now have a fully assembled 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop starter kit. What will you embroider? To learn how to use the items in the 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop starter kit, check out our next video how to use the 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop Starter Kit. To order the 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop Starter Kit, head to HoopMaster.com.